Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Hooked in Loop. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button, and for getting updates of new videos, then please click the bell icon. Today I will show you how to crochet this beautiful and classy earrings, and this pattern is so beautiful that you can also use it as a bookmark or key rings or bag hangers. Okay, so let's begin. I have made these earrings with embroidery floss, okay, and I have used a crochet hook of size 1.75 millimeter. You can see the earrings are quite stiff, so I have stiffened my earrings with hairspray, okay, and so let's begin the pattern. Take the thread and make a slip knot and then insert the hook in it. After that we will do chain 10. We will insert our hook in the second chain from the hook, and we will do a single crochet, and then we will do one single crochet in each of the following chains till we reach the second last chain. Okay. In the last chain, we will do 3 single crochets. 1, 2. We will mark this second single crochet with a stitch marker, and then the third one. After doing this third single crochet, we will take a stitch marker and mark the second single crochet of this set. Okay. Done. Then in each of the following 6 stitches we will do one single crochet each. Okay. After that we will do a chain 1 and complete this round. We will turn our work. You can see 2 loops in each of the stitches. We will be working only in the back loop. Okay, in the loop I am inserting the hook. We will draw the yarn and do a single crochet. In this way we will do one single crochet in each of the following stitches till we reach the stitch before the stitch marker. Okay, so in total we are doing 7 single crochets before that stitch marker stitch. Okay. Open up your hook, okay, and then in the back loop of that stitch we will do 3 single crochets, okay, and then in the second single crochet of this 3 single crochet set we will insert our stitch marker in the back loop. Okay, Then we will proceed in doing one single crochet in each of the following 7 single crochet stitches in the back loop. Okay, just remember the countings should be perfect. We are doing 7 single crochet stitches in the back loop. Okay, in throughout this project we are doing our stitches in the back loop of each of the stitches. Okay, after your 7th single crochet stitch we will do a chain 1, we will turn our work and again start doing our stitches in the back loop. Okay, in the loop I am inserting the hook. We will do one single crochet in each of the following 8 single crochet stitches. Okay, since this is the front side of your work, your back loop is the second loop of the 2 loops. Okay, I hope you are understanding the concept of back loop. We will now take out the stitch marker, and in the back loop of the stitch we are doing 3 single crochet stitches. Okay, and after that in the second single crochet stitch of that 3 single crochet set we are inserting the stitch marker in the back loop. After that we will do one single crochet in each of the following 6 single crochet stitches. Okay, in the back loop of the stitches. Okay, so we will do one single crochet in each of the following 6 single crochets. So in total we are doing 6 single crochet stitches. Okay, and after that we will complete this round simply with a chain 1. We will turn our work and we will start working in the back loop. Okay, that is, since this is the back face of our work, so the back loop is the first loop of the 2 loops. Okay, I think by this time you know what is the back loop. We are doing one single crochet in each of the following 7 single crochet stitches. That is, in total we are doing 7 single crochets till we reach the stitch before the stitch marker. We will open up our stitch marker, and in the back loop of the following stitch we are doing 3 single crochets, and as usual we will insert our stitch marker in the back loop of the second single crochet stitch of this 3 single crochet set. We will do one single crochets in the back loop of each of the following 7 single crochet stitches. Okay, after that we will do a chain 1. We will turn our work and again we are in the front face of the work. Okay, and we will do our stitches in the back loop, that is in the second loop of the 2 loops visible to you. Okay, So insert your hook in the back loop of the stitch and do single crochet stitch. We are doing 1 single crochet in each of the 8 single crochet stitches till we reach the stitch just before the stitch mark. We will open up the stitch marker, okay, and in the back loop of the stitch we will do 3 single crochets, and we will add the stitch marker in the back loop of the second single crochet stitch of the 3 single crochet set. We will start doing 1 single crochet in each of the following 6 single crochet stitches in the back loop, okay. We will do a chain 1 to complete this round. We will turn our work and we are in the back face of the work. We will insert our hook in the back loop, that is in the first loop of the 2 loops visible to you, okay. So we are doing 1 single crochet in each of the 7 single crochet stitches before the stitch marker stitch. We will open up the stitch marker and in the back loop of the stitch we will do 3 single crochets, and we will insert a stitch marker in the second single crochet stitch in the back loop of the stitch, okay, and then we will start doing 1 single crochets in each of the following 7 single crochet stitches in the back loop of the stitch, okay. Since we are in the back face, so the back loop of the stitch is the first loop that is visible to us, okay. After we complete our 7 single crochets, we will simply do a chain 1. We will turn our work and we are in the front face of the work, okay. So we will start doing our stitches in the back loop, and in this case the second loop that is visible to us is the back loop of the work, okay. So we will insert our hook in the back loop and draw the yarn through it and do single crochets in each of the following 8 single crochet stitches till we reach the stitch just before the stitch marker stitch, okay. We will open up our hook, okay, and in the back loop we will insert our hook and do 3 single crochet stitches, and we will insert a stitch marker in the back loop of the second single crochet stitch. Then in the following 6 single crochet stitches we are going to do 1 single crochet in each of the stitches in the back loop, okay. See the shape. The shape has already been started to form. you can see the ridges in each of the rounds. We will do a chain 1 and turn our work. This is the last round and we are in the back face, so we will be doing our stitches in the first of the 2 loops, that is the back loop of each of the stitches. Okay, so we are doing 1 single crochet in each of the 7 single crochet stitches just before the stitch marker. Okay, and then we will open up our stitch marker and we will do 3 single crochets there. We will insert the stitch marker in the second single crochet stitch in the back loop, of course, but it's not necessary since it's the last round. It is not necessary anyways. We will do the 1 single crochet stitch in the back loop of each of the following 7 single crochet stitches. Okay, and after that let's turn our work and see the shape of the earrings being formed. You can see arrow like ridges being formed in each of the round. Okay, this is due to the fact that we were doing our stitches in the back loops. Okay, this type of shape wouldn't be formed if we did our stitches in both the loops of the stitch or in the front loop. Okay, now you can do a color change, okay, based on your choice. Just you need to slip stitch the respective color in the beginning of each round. Okay, with different colors it is looking very pretty. Anyways, it would look also pretty with a single color. Okay, it's giving us self design in our leaf like pattern. After our leaf is done, we will simply do a chain 1 and cut the yarn. Okay, and one more thing, if you feel that this leaf is too small for your earrings, then you can always increase the number of rounds. And I hope you observed that the step is exactly same for each round. Okay, so our earring is ready. We will simply insert our hook in that second single crochet where we had our stitch marker attached. For stiffening the earring, we will add a little bit of hairspray. Okay, since it's a small project, you can always add hairsprays to stiffen your work. Okay, and let it dry. So our pattern is completely ready. You can always use this to make your earrings. Okay, by the way, I showed you the pattern with a foundation row of chain 10. You can always use chain 11 or 12 based on your preferences. Okay, that will help to increase your width of the work. Okay, for any queries you can always comment in the comment section. I will answer your queries. The bead that you can see is also made out of thread. Okay, and I bought the metal attachment from the local market. I hope you liked this pattern. If you liked this pattern, then please hit the like button. Comment in the comment section for any queries. I will answer all your queries. Any kind of suggestions are allowed. Please provide your valuable suggestions. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.